Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Last time we met, we looked at how to use the remainder theorem to find one unknown variable. Today we are going to concentrate on how to use the remainder theorem to find two unknown variables of a polynomial. So now let's look at this example. If p of x equals 2x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 1 is divided by x plus 1 or x minus 4, the remainder is 5. It means that this and that, the remainder is 5. Determine the value of a and b. Alright, so this is our solution. Let's start with this. Now, let's pick the first one. I've already told you that you have something like this, x plus 1. You have to set this divider to 0. So this will give us x equals to -1. So if I take p of -1, my answer should be what? 5. Now let's take our polynomial here. Our polynomial is p of x, but our x is now -1. So it means wherever you see x, you substitute what? -1. So I have 2 bracket open -1 cube plus a bracket open -1 squared plus b -1 plus 1. Alright, so p -1. So we have -1 to the power 3. This is odd power, so this will give -1. 2 times -1 is -2. Then we also have -1 squared, that will give +1. +1 times a will give you a. Then b times -1 is -b plus 1. So you have p of -1 equals -2 plus 1 give you -1 plus a minus b. Is that alright? So from this point, we are saying that p of -1 equals 5. So it means that -1 plus a minus b is equals to 5. Therefore, a minus b will be equals to 5 plus 1, because this is negative. So when you send it here, you become positive. So a minus b equals 6. So we name this one as equation 1. Now let's also consider the second divider. Let's set that one to 0. So we have x minus 4 equals 0. So x will be equals to 4. It means that my p of 4 is equals to 2 bracket open 4 to the power 3 plus a 4 squared plus b 4 plus 1. Alright, so from here, this is p of 4. 4 to the power 3 is 64. 64 times 2, we have 128. This side will give you 128. Plus 4 squared is 16, so we have 16a plus 4b plus 1. Alright, so I can add this one to this. It means that p of 4 will be 128 plus 1 will give you 129 plus 16a plus 4b. Alright, now let's move to p of 4. And I said that p of 4 is equals to what? 5. This one, which is 129 plus 16a plus 4b will be equals to what? 5. So 16a plus 4b is equals to 5 minus 129. So 16a plus 4b is equals to 129 minus 5. 1, here we give negative 124. So you can divide through by 4. Dividing through by 4, here over 4, over 4, over 4. 4 is a common term. 16 divided by 4 will give you 4a plus b equals negative, I think, 31. Now I name this one as equation 2. Alright. So now we have equation 1. Sorry, equation 1 is here, then we have equation 2. So this one, we have two variables, we have to solve it simultaneously. So from this point, we know that we have about 3 methods of solving simultaneous equation. So we are going to use substitution method. So from equation 1, let's make a the subject. So I have a to be equals to 6 plus b. Let's name this one equation 3. Now let's put equation 3 into equation 2. So this is our equation 2. This by 6 plus b. So I have 4. A is 6 plus b now, plus this b equals negative 31. So 4 times 6 will give you 24 plus 4b plus b equals negative 31. So this will give you 4 plus 1, that's 4b plus b, that will give you 5b equals, let me send this one here, and this will give you negative 55. Dividing both sides by 5, half my b to be equals to negative 11. Now from here, let's substitute this negative 11 into equation 3. So we have to put b equals negative 11 into equation 3. And you know our equation 3 is a is equals to 6 plus b. So a is equals to 6 plus negative 11. So a will be 6 plus negative 11 will give us negative 5. Therefore, our a for this is 5 and that of b is negative 11. So this is how we solve for an unknown variable. Let's look at example 2. We have if 3x k plus 4x squared plus k of x plus 1 has a remainder 7x plus 6 when divided by x squared minus 1. Find the value of p and q. First, let p of x to be equals to 3x cubed plus px squared plus q of x, plus qx plus 1. Alright, now let's identify our remainder. This is our remainder, which is 7x plus 6. That's our remainder. And our divisor is x squared minus 1. But you know, the x squared minus 1 here is a difference of 2 squares. So I can write it as x plus 1, x minus 1. Alright, so from here, we know that if you want to get your divisor, you have to set it into what? 0. So I'll take x plus 1, then I'll set it into 0. So x will be equals to negative 1. Or x minus 1 equals 0. So my x will be what? 1. Meaning that p of 1 is equals to what? the remainder. Where's our remainder? 7x plus 6. So this is our remainder, 7x plus 6 here. Meaning that wherever I see x, I can substitute what 1 into it. So I have p of 1 equals to 7 bracket open 1 plus 6. So p of 1 is equals to, sorry, here is negative 1. So this will be negative 1. 7 times negative 1 is negative 7 plus 6. That will give you negative 1. Now let's also consider this. P of, so they are all negatives. So P of 1 is equals to 7x plus 6. So P of 1 will be 7 multiplied by 1 plus 6. So our P of 1 will give us 13. So this is our remainder, 13 of what? Negative 7. Now let's come back to this. I have P of negative 1, which is equals to negative 1. Meaning that for our polynomial, we have 3. Wherever I see x, I replace by negative 1 cube plus P of negative 1 squared plus Q multiply negative 1 plus 1 should give us negative 1. So negative 1 to the power 3 will give us negative 1 times 3. That will give us negative 3 plus negative 1 squared is positive 1. 1 times p is p. Negative 1 times q will give us negative q plus 1, which is negative 1. So we have p minus q. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2 equals negative 1. So p minus, what a q? P minus q is equals to negative 1 plus 2. So p minus q will give us 1. So that's equation 1. Let's also consider p of 1, which is 13. So we have 3 multiplying by 1 to the power 3 plus p multiplying by 1 to the power 2 plus q multiplying by 1 plus 1 equals 13. This times that will give you 3 plus p plus q plus 1 equals 13. So p plus q, 3 plus 1 is 4 equals 13. So our p plus q will give us 13 minus 4. So my p plus q will give us 9. So this will be equation 2. Subject from equation 1. So from equation 1, p is equals to 1 plus q. Let's name this one equation 3. Now let's put p equals 1 plus q into equation 2. So from equation 2 we have p plus q equals 9. But we say that p is equals to 1 plus q. It means that wherever you see p in equation 2, replace it by 1 plus q. So this p here will be 1 plus q equals to 9. Q plus q will give us 2q equals 9 minus 1. So 2q will give us 8. We are trying to make q the subject, so we divide both sides by what? 2. So my q will give us 4. Alright. Now let's put q equals to 4 into equation 3. From equation 3 we have p is equals to 1 plus q. So it means that our q is now 4. So p will be 1 plus 4. So my P is now 5. Okay. Therefore, Q is equals to 4 and P is equals to what? 5. So that is the value for P and Q. Thank you very much.